Okay, we got the same situation. We got the runner on second base. Nobody out. 13, 1-3-4, 1-3-7 bunt coverage. First baseman again. Be up in front of first base. Third baseman this time the ball will be bunted at the third baseman. He should start again on the cut of the grass. Pretty close to third base. Um, Pitcher should expect that bunt. Soft on the third base side. He needs to make sure he gets over and gets that. Catcher's in charge. Needs to communicate to the defense what's going on. So we'll roll the play. As you can see, it's when in doubt, third baseman, come and get that ball and make that play. Comes, gets the ball, throws to first base, who's being covered by our second baseman, and we get the out. So the first baseman will not cover in this situation, as if we're expecting the bunt and the runner, the batter shows, the first baseman will be charging hard in this situation right away. So second baseman needs to make sure he gets over there and covers the base. So outfielders are backing things up. And the third baseman fields the ball. Shortstop needs to cover third base. So the previous plays, we saw the shortstop making his way over there. This situation, he needs to cover the base. We're not going to immediately get that play there, although some situations where we don't have a great bunt and we don't have a play at first, third baseman will fake that throw to first, stop and look and see if we get that base runner at third, rounding a few feet away from the base, and we can back pick him to the shortstop covering. So it's imperative that the shortstop is there to cover that.